Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the application cache on the Tango dating app. So let's get started right away. Now, if your Tango application is facing some issues and you are not able to run it smoothly, then there might be various different reasons behind this. The first solution would be to check for updates within the Tango application. But if your application is updated to the latest version and you are still getting some errors, then you will need to clear the cache. And in order to do so, just long press on the Tango application and tap on the info button at the top right corner. You will now be taken into the application info page for the Tango app. Now first tap on forced stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the application. You can then scroll down and tap on storage, and now you will see the clear data as well as clear cache. Just tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner and now your cache will immediately be cleared. If this still doesn't help your application and you still see some issues, you can also try tapping on the clear data button. But be careful as this will also clear all of your user data and you will need to log back into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the application cache on Tango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.